not to destroy, but to be eaten. It might sound strange, but locust farming is quietly becoming a booming industry in many parts of the world. From a hated pest to a superfood, locusts are now valued for being rich in protein, low in fat, environmentally friendly, and most importantly, highly profitable. But how are locusts actually farmed? What do they eat? How do they reproduce? And how did these tiny creatures end up on gourmet restaurant menus? Join me as we dive into the fascinating journey of the locust, from hatching to harvest, from the field to the plate, inside a fast-growing agricultural revolution. Currently, the world consumes around 1,000 tons of locusts annually, with China producing nearly 500 million locusts each year, serving both domestic markets and exporting to countries like Japan, South Korea, the United States, and across Southeast Asia. Locusts are extremely high in protein, up to 74.8%, while being low in fat and carbohydrates. This makes them increasingly popular in sustainable and health-conscious diets. Beyond whole insect consumption, locusts are also processed into a variety of value-added products, crispy snacks, protein powders, canned goods, and even health supplements. Some farms specialize in selling locust eggs to supply breeding operations or research institutions. With a short life cycle, low production costs, rapid reproduction rate, and an expanding market, locust farming is considered a promising new sector in the future of agriculture. Locusts begin to reproduce once they reach adulthood, typically around 30 to 35 days after hatching. When ready, the females use a specialized ovipositor to dig small holes in moist soil within the breeding enclosures, gently placing their eggs into clusters known as egg pods. Each female can lay multiple times during her life, with up to 120 eggs per pod. After laying, she secretes a gel-like substance that coats the eggs. This protective layer hardens into a waterproof shield, safeguarding the eggs from harsh environmental conditions. The eggs are incubated in ideal conditions around 30°C temperature and 70% humidity, closely simulating the locust's natural environment. After about 10 to 12 days, the eggs hatch into tiny nymphs. Immediately after hatching, young locusts are transferred to separate rearing chambers areas, maintained at stable temperatures, proper humidity, and soft lighting. This early stage is crucial, as locust nymphs require ideal conditions for molting and rapid growth. In addition to climate control, the enclosures are securely covered with fine mesh or transparent plastic panels, about 1.5 to 2 meters high, fully enclosing the area. Some farms also install mesh roofs to prevent adult locusts from escaping during movement or harvest. Their diet consists mainly of tender leaves, fresh grass, young corn shoots, and various nutrient-rich native plants. These feed sources are harvested daily from intercrop grasslands and cornfields surrounding the farm. Due to their versatile digestive systems, locusts can consume a wide range of plant matter, which helps them adapt to diverse environments. Locusts reach adulthood in about 30-35 days, making this the ideal time for harvesting. Once they reach optimal size, the swarms are collected using nets, plastic containers, or specialized suction devices. The harvesting process is quick and gentle, minimizing harm to the insects, especially important for those intended for export quality processing. After collection, the locusts are sorted. The premium ones are sent for food production, such as drying, canning, or grinding into protein powder, while others may be used as animal feed or distributed to other farms. Today, at many modern facilities, the entire process from egg incubation and rearing to harvesting and pre-processing is automated and strictly monitored. As a result, each farming cycle can yield millions of locusts, helping meet the growing global demand for sustainable insect protein. After harvesting the locusts, go through a meticulous cleaning process. They are thoroughly rinsed with clean water and sometimes in a mild salt solution to remove any impurities and odors. Then they are briefly blanched in hot water for about 30 seconds to sterilize and soften the bodies. Depending on their intended use, the locusts are processed in different ways, drying or freeze-drying. This is a popular method to retain nutrients and extend shelf life. Dried locusts can be consumed as snacks or ground into protein powder. Canning locusts are seasoned and canned in oil or brine, a product already being exported to countries like Japan, South Korea, and the US. Grinding into powder. Locust protein powder is used in baked goods, noodles, energy bars, or as a dietary supplement. The nutritional value of locust meat is impressive. It contains up to 74.8% protein, only 5.25% fat, and about 4.77% carbohydrates, far superior to many red meats and free from harmful cholesterol. Moreover, locusts are also used in nutritional supplements and cosmetics due to their high chitin content, a compound known for cell regeneration and antioxidant properties. From crispy snacks and savory stews to high-end functional products, locusts are proving to be a valuable force in the global sustainable food market. Locusts, once considered agricultural pests, are now becoming a symbol of a new trend: sustainable food rich in nutrition and environmentally friendly. With a short life cycle, high reproduction rate, low feed requirements, and increasing economic value, locust farming is opening up major opportunities for modern agriculture. From tiny eggs to fully grown swarms, from small farms to automated processing facilities, all are contributing to a growing value chain. This not only helps farmers increase their income, but also offers solutions to global challenges such as food security and climate change. What do you think about this model? Could this be the food of the future? If you found this journey interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to join us as we continue exploring